Welcome to the Actor Boy Awards Nomination Show 2026, where we share with you the best of the best, the creme de la creme of all our amazing productions from last year, 2025. My name is Chantal Jackson, aka Pranala, aka Prini, alongside my co-host who needs no introduction, the actor boy himself. And it's our absolute pleasure to share with you the list of nominees. Now, last year, our nomination show was literally outside as we were celebrating the return of the award show and thus being able to physically celebrate together in the same space after a long hiatus. This year is no different, but instead of outside from a rooftop, we are coming to you live from the PBCJ Studio National, which will be the official home of the Actor Boy Award ceremony this year. You heard me. Grab your pen and paper and go in your Google Calendar because this is a save the date moment, y'all. The Actor Boy Award ceremony 2026 will take place April 27th, 2026, right here at the PBCJ Studio National. Now, a fun fact for you all. You want to tell him? Or you want me to tell him? He's a bit nervous. A little stage fright. You can't believe it? But fun fact, this year, this guy is celebrating 35 years. This is the 35th year of the Actor Boy Awards. 35 strong, legacy meets future. What a time it has been, and a time it's about to be. So without further ado, here are the nominations for this year's Actor Boy Awards.
In the category of costume design, the nominees are Carolyn Chinyi for Alice, Conroy B. Wilson for Deadlift, Greg Thame and Clayton Gidden for Jesus 2025, Marie Lovelock for The Blood Lies, Samantha Thompson for TikTok, in the category of sound design, the nominees are Alexandria Chin for Alice, Owen Blacker Ellis for TikTok, Ryan Essen for Jesus 2025, Tajay White for Deadlift, Tesfa Edwards and Dahlia Harris for The Blood Lies. In the category of set design, the nominees are Kalina Mollison for Alice, Kirk Nunez for Deadlift, Owain Hamilton and Kimberly Mitchell for The Blood Lies, Owen Blacker Ellis, Camille Kwamina and Lauriston Watson for TikTok, Patrick Brown for Boopsy's Homecoming. In the category of lighting design, the nominees are Calvin Mitchell for TikTok, Alicia Ellis for Alice, Robin Baston for Jesus 2025, Sylvester Campbell for A Calabash to Save the World, Tesfa Edwards for The Blood Lies. In the category of special effects, the nominees are Alexandria Chin for Alice, Robin Baston for Jesus 2025. In the category of choreography, the nominees are Darren Mitchell, Damaria Gutzma, and Giselle Bain for Alice, Michael Holgate for Deadlift, Michael Holgate for TikTok, Paula Shaw for Jesus 2025. In the category of original song, the nominees are Bad Boy Ratty for Redemption, Hope Springs Eternal for TikTok, One Song from A Rose of Sharon, Redemption from Redemption. In the category New Jamaican Script, the nominees are Boops's Homecoming by Patrick Brown, Indecent Proposal by Patrick Brown, Redemption by Rasheem Shepherd, The Blood Lies by Dahlia Harris. In the category Best Children's Production, the nominees are A Calabash to Save the World and Tukuma Storytelling Foundation of Jamaica, Alice, JMTC, in the category of Best Comedy, the nominees are A Rose of Sharon, Basil Dawkins Productions, Boops's Homecoming, Jambiz International Limited, Indecent Proposal, Jambiz International Limited, Low Pay, Don't Pay, Jamaica School of Drama. In the category of Best Drama, the nominees are Indecent Proposal, Jambiz International Limited, Jesus 2025, Father Holong and Friends, Redemption, Dreads Productions, The Blood Lies, DMH Productions, TikTok, Jamaica School of Drama. In the category of Best Ensemble Cast, the nominees are Low Pay, Don't Pay, Jamaica School of Drama, TikTok, Jamaica School of Drama. In the category of Best Musical, the nominees are Alice, JMTC, Deadlift, The Ashe Company, Jesus 2025, Father Holong and Friends, for the category Best Actor in a Supporting Role, the nominees are David Crosgill, Boops's Homecoming, Dean Smith, Deadlift, Kumar McHugh, Deadlift, Mario Ramdal, Alice, Ricardo Anderson, Deadlift. For the category Actress in a Supporting Role, the nominees are Danielle Shepherd, Redemption, Michaelia Benjamin, Deadlift, Maria Walters, The Blood Lies, Shantae James, Redemption, Zoe Hall, Alice. For the category Best Actor in a Lead Role, the nominees are Antonio Campbell, Deadlift, Glenn Campbell, Boops's Homecoming, Javon Ferrell, Alice, Orain Meikle, Redemption, Rasheem Shepherd, Redemption. For the category Best Actress in a Lead Role, the nominees are Abigail Dunstan, Deadlift, Dahlia Harris, The Blood Lies, Deandra Harrison, Boops's Homecoming, Cherie MacDonald Russell, Indecent Proposal, Zoe de House, Alice. For the category of Best Director, the nominees are Brian Johnson and Kyle Gooden for Alice, Camille Kwamina and Owen Blacker Ellis for TikTok, Dahlia Harris for The Blood Lies, Greg Thame for Jesus 2025, Michael Holgate for Deadlift. For the category of Best Production, the nominees are Alice by JMTC, Deadlift, the Ashe Company, Jesus 2025, Father Holong and Friends, The Blood Lies, DMH Productions, TikTok, Jamaica School of Drama.
And there you have it. Congratulations to all our nominees, and even bigger congratulations to those of you who are already winners. In just under a month from today, uno need to step out in a uno Monday best as we celebrate a night of theatre excellence. Be sure to follow the Actor Boy social media handles at Actor Boy Awards on Instagram and Actor Boy Awards on Facebook for all the updates and, of course, the full list of nominees. From my co-host and I, thank you for watching and see you soon.